Polynomial long division looks scary, but it's actually the same as regular long division, just with variables. Let me show you the fast way. First, why do we divide polynomials? We might want to divide polynomials in order to break down complex polynomial expressions into manageable parts, or simply to rewrite functions, to identify slant and oblique asymptotes in rational functions, or to discover factors and roots of polynomial expressions. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to divide polynomials with zero confusion. Long division for polynomials follows a systematic process similar to numerical long division. First, you'll want to divide the leading term. Then multiply the result by the entire divisor. Subtract this product from the dividend. Bring down the next term from the original dividend, and do it all over again until done. Let me show you how through an example. So in this example, we want to divide x squared minus 3x plus 1 by x minus 2. So first, we'll divide the leading term. X squared divided by x is x. Then we'll multiply the result x by the entire divisor x minus 2. So x times x is x squared, and x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Now we need to subtract. X squared minus x squared is 0. Negative 3x minus negative 2x is negative x. And we'll bring down the 1. So we'll have negative x plus 1. Now we'll do it all over again. Our leading term is negative x, so we'll divide negative x by x. And that is negative 1. Then multiply negative 1 by x minus 2, which will be negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Now let's subtract. Negative x minus a negative x is 0, and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Therefore, our quotient is x minus 1 with a remainder of negative 1. So our final answer will be x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 2. So here's a remainder of negative 1. That's why we have it over our divisor of x minus 2. Let's look at this next example. We want to divide 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus x plus 4 by x plus 1. First, let's divide the leading terms. 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. Then we'll multiply 3x squared by x plus 1. And that'll be 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. And 3x squared times 1 is 3x squared. Now we'll subtract. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. 5x squared minus 3x squared is 2x squared. And we'll bring down the other terms. So negative x we bring down and 4 we bring down. Now we'll do it again. But now we'll divide 2x squared by x. And that is 2x. Now let's multiply. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. Next step, we subtract. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Negative x minus 2x is negative 3x. And we bring down our 4. We need to do it one more time. We'll divide negative 3x by x. And that is negative 3. Now let's multiply. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Now let's subtract. Negative 3x minus negative 3x is 0. And 4 minus a negative 3 is 7. So our quotient is 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 with a remainder of 7. So our final answer will be 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 7 over our divisor, which is x plus 1. Always verify your answer. You can verify each polynomial division result by using this fundamental relationship. The dividend will be equal to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. So in the case of our first example, you'll want to multiply a quotient of x minus 1 times a divisor of x minus 2 plus the remainder of -1 and make sure that it is the polynomial that you started with. Here's your challenge. Now it's your turn to practice. Divide 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 30 by x minus 3. Share your answer and post your solution in the comments or check the next video. You've just mastered polynomial division using long division. Keep practicing these techniques to build your confidence and speed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.